God have mercy upon us.
Babe! Babe! Babe, who is this girl? Who is this girl?
Let me explain.
Explain what?
I can explain.
Go and explain to your ancestors.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Bros, agree to. Bros, well done. Bros, agree to.
God have mercy upon us.
Come. Who kill you when you dey disturb our neighborhood now? Eh? Say person wey kill you dey this neighborhood. Why you just dey disturb us for this area now?
I don't die.
You no know say you don die like this.
Say what?
I can explain. Through that girl hit me, I die. Oh, you see your life? Give your life to Christ. No, repent. No, see where you land yourself.
I'm still that money today. And I'm still
God have mercy upon us.
Have a man again pure water.
Are you mad? You're going to pay me. Are you mad? You're going to pay me. Are you mad? You're going to pay me.
Yeah, you know they see where they fight.
I will stop you. I will stop you. They don't burn you well.
Yeah, if I don't tell me now.
They don't burn you well. I will stop you. I will stop you. They don't burn you well. I will stop you. They don't burn you. Who you be? I will stop you. And you know I love you.
God. Sorry, have you feel like too bad for your hand?
Come on now, you go see just super.
Bro.
Super.
Yeah.
You know she na small.
Jesus Christ.
Guy, you no need more pa. I still get to. You sure?
I need like 10 pa. I need.
Guy, how far? It still remain 3 pa. I fit even give you extra.
Guy, why you don't tell me now?
See, that's why I didn't even take Guy, how far? Wait till you now.
What happened? What did you?
How far? No be that my babe. No pay. My babe that don't start to the shit on me again. My babe go the request for doggy style all the time. I mean, I know if you do one. That girl like doggy. She like doggy. Even yesterday night, I saw doggy just. Guys, say. Guys, no, nothing. Wait. Now my babe, she talk. No, wait. What she talk? I know. Guys, which can be fake? Oh, come.
Bustin' a nigga like one.
Somebody gay. It's not yours.
Oga, pick calm. Remember, I say you dey owe Chukwu the money, and today you promise her say today you must give her that money, and she no gum you. Pick calm, opportunity.
My
pick
son,
calm, oh.
It's not yours.
Pick calm.
Like I said, check your mirror.
Na lie. Check your back.
I don't tell you, as you know good. Check the mirror again.
I don't do.
Face your consequences. Except I don't do.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Can't double on my hustle like this. Leave phone first, shake down. You sure say you no like her? I know say you like her. No look am well. Just use side eye look am. Look at small.
God have mercy upon us.
You don't like that. Oh, see, look at me, look at me. Nash, do this,
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Now you're behaving like a man. Fine girl.
On his face, come back. Then the two of them waiting. Then come play again. That point, once you show the emotion, you can't move a little side. Waiting you talk, guy. I need to cover this thing. Now me, cover.
When I show them like them go turn their back, them go show me down. I can never like this, turn my nuts in my future back. Action. Look at where.
Which can be still?
My lover.
Thanks for watching that amazing content. Do well to do what? Like, leave a comment, share. And if you are watching for the first time, do well to click on the follow button.
You must like that video and you must share it. Why you no go share am? You like, you watch video, it make you laugh, you no want share am. Share. I don't know. How would they talk to now like that? I don't know say now.
Thanks so much, guys. Love you.